here in Park Ridge. I don't even know what these elevators are. Check out this lobby though. Yeah, these are funky. All right, sit down. Oh, that's armor. Oh, what the heck? Armor. What even are these? Capacity is 2,000 pounds. This is a 444 Northwest Highway. Got these armor already going up. Okay, what are these? What are these? Fire that bell. Alright, let's see this. Let's hear that bell again. Nope, we're gonna let it close. I want to hear that bell. That was a good bell. Are these armor? There we go. Yeah, I don't know what these things are. They're a mystery. Maybe they're armor, because they're armor buttons, but they might be another company that installed them with armor buttons. Get the reflection of the lights out of there. Oh, that's a good bell. We're hearing that. Hold on. We're hearing that shit again. That's old armor lantern stuff. Damn it. Well, before the thing stops, we're gonna get to take one of these bells. Any damn day now.